Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Emma. I've got a crazy idea.
Oh, what's on your mind, Alex?
What if we try to learn a bunch of easy and common English questions in just 30 minutes?
That does sound crazy. But I'm in. Where do we start?
Let's kick it off with the basics. Like, what's your name? That's gotta be one of the most common questions, right?
For sure. And the classic answer would be, my name's Emma. What's yours?
I'm Alex. See? We've already nailed one question and answer.
Nice. How about we move on to something like, where are you from?
Good one. I'd say, I'm from New York. What about you?
I'm from London. Easy peasy.
This is fun. Let's keep going. How about, how old are you?
Ah, the age question. I'm 25. And you?
I'm 26. Quick and simple, right?
Yeah, totally. These are questions you hear all the time in conversations.
Exactly. And they're perfect for getting to know someone.
What's next on our list? Maybe what do you do? Like, for work or school?
Great idea. I'm a teacher. What do you do?
I'm a student. That one's super common too.
We're on a roll here. Do you think we can fit more questions into our 30-minute challenge?
Absolutely. How about, do you like? That one's super versatile.
Oh yeah. Do you like pizza?
Who doesn't like pizza? Laughs. See how easy it is to start a fun conversation with just one question?
Totally. We've already covered so much. Think we can squeeze in a few more?
I'm sure we can. Let's keep this going.
All right, let's step it up a bit. How about, what's your favorite? You can use that with almost anything.
Good one. What's your favorite color?
Blue. What about yours?
Green. Easy, right? And you can ask about favorite foods, movies, music, the list goes on.
Exactly. What's your favorite movie?
The Lion King. Classic. What's yours?
Inception. I love a good mind bender.
Nice choice. And see how these questions can keep a conversation going?
Yeah, it's like you're getting to know someone just by asking simple stuff.
Definitely. And speaking of simple, how are you? That's like the ultimate conversation starter.
True. How are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. It's like the easiest way to check in on someone.
Exactly. And it works in any situation, formal or casual.
So true. Now, how about we practice some questions that can help in everyday situations, like where's the nearest?
Oh, that's smart. Where's the nearest coffee shop?
It's just around the corner. Or, where's the nearest bus stop?
2 blocks down. Super handy for getting around.
We're really covering all the basics here. Anything else we should add?
Maybe something like, can you help me with?
Good one. Can you help me with my English homework?
Sure. What do you need help with? That's a great way to ask for and offer help.
Exactly. It's also a polite way to start a conversation with someone.
We've packed in a ton of useful questions already. Should we keep going?
Yeah, let's keep the momentum.
Alright, let's get into some more practical questions. What about asking for directions? Like, how do I get to?
Oh, that's a good one. How do I get to the train station?
Just go straight and turn left at the next intersection. Super useful, especially when you're traveling.
Definitely. And another important one, what time is it?
Yes. What time is it? It's 3:30. Simple but essential, especially if you don't have a watch or your phone's dead.
Speaking of time, how about, when does the next bus arrive?
It should be here in about 10 minutes. Great for public transport situations.
And, what's the weather like today? That's a common one, too.
It's sunny and warm. Or, it's raining, better grab an umbrella. Everyone loves talking about the weather.
So true. Weather is like the universal small talk topic.
Right? And for more social situations, you could ask, what do you do for fun?
I love hiking and playing the guitar. What about you?
I'm really into cooking and watching movies. It's a great way to find common interests.
Definitely. And if you're at a party or gathering, you could ask, how do you know the host?
We went to college together. That's a great way to break the ice and start a conversation with someone new.
Yep. It's also a good way to connect with others in a group setting.
We've got a solid list of questions here. Should we try practicing them in a real conversation?
That sounds like a plan. Let's see how smoothly we can keep it going.